In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Calendly for sales, 5 minutes. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional booking link that makes it easy for prospects to grab time with you without the back and forth. Start by opening your browser and heading to calendly.com. On the homepage, click Log In. Enter your email address, click Continue, then enter your password and continue into your account. Once you're in, you'll land on your Calendly homepage, where you can manage existing events or create new ones. Let's create a sales-ready event from scratch. Click Create, then choose the one-on-one event type. This is perfect for sales because it keeps the meeting focused between you and the prospect. Give your event a clear, professional name that sets expectations, something like discovery call, product demo, or consultation. You can add a brief description to explain who the meeting is for and what you'll cover, which helps reduce no-shows and ensures prospects come prepared. Next, choose the meeting duration. Common choices are 15 minutes for quick qualification, 30 minutes for discovery, or 45 minutes for deeper demos. Pick what fits your process, then select the location. Calendly integrates smoothly with Zoom and Google Meet, so the video link is created automatically and added to both calendars. If you prefer phone calls, choose phone call and specify whether you'll call them or they'll call you. Now set your availability. Define the days and times you want to take sales meetings and make sure your time zone is correct. Keep the windows realistic, perhaps mid-morning to mid-afternoon, to maximize show rates. If you tend to run back-to-back, consider leaving a small buffer between meetings so you can take notes and reset. You can also limit the number of meetings per day to prevent burnout. Choose who will host the meeting. If you're the rep, select yourself. If you're setting this up for a teammate, assign the appropriate host so the event pulls from the right calendar and availability. When everything looks good, click Create to save your event. Your booking page is now live. You can share it directly with prospects by copying the link and pasting it into emails, chat, or sequences. This is great after a positive interaction. Send the link and let them choose a time that works. You can also post the link on your website to generate inbound sales. Many teams add it to a Book a Demo button or embed it on a contact page, making it effortless for visitors to schedule a call. That's it. Your Calendly is set up for sales and ready to book more meetings.